Hey everyone, this is Joe with nCLOSE. Today we're going to be wall mounting the quick release. So first thing that you want to do is you want to get a stud finder and run it across the surface that you're going to be working with. So for me, I don't have any studs that are in my workspace right here, so I'm good to go there. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to measure how far off the ground you want your quick release to be. So for me, it's going to be about 5 feet. So 5 feet from me is here. So I know that's about how far the quick release is going to be from the ground. So next you want to get a level, a pen, and your quick release. Put it against the wall with the slot facing upwards. Put it against the wall. Put your level on top. Make sure that it's level. Then in the middle of the long slots, make a mark. This is where you're going to be drilling holes so that you can set your anchors. After that's all set, you want to take a drill and a 3/16 drill bit. Go ahead and drill these holes. After the holes are done, clean them up. Then you want to take your 4 anchors and then you want to tap them into the walls. I'm going to be using a mallet to do that, so I'm going to start pressing my anchors in, tap them in. So tap them all the way in until they're flush with the wall. Nice and flush. Next is you want to grab your quick release, the long wood screws, and the spacers. So the wood screw is going to go into the slot, followed by the spacer. They're a little bit tight so that it's easier for you to install them. This one I just have to simply just kind of screw it on a little bit. Now I'm going to do that with all 4 screws. Screw, then spacer. Get my screw in and then my spacer. Last one, screw and the spacer. Okay, once all those are in, then you can go ahead and take your Phillips bit on the drill, line up these holes to the anchors, and start drilling them in. For now, I'm just barely putting them in so that I can maneuver the screws around. So once they're all set, I'm just going to push the quick release towards the wall and then start screwing in the screws. Now from here, don't totally tighten it yet. These slots are around it so that you can level your quick release after you put these screws on. So from here, it's a little bit loose, and as you can see, whenever you turn it, it kind of moves left and right. So from here, you can take your level, put it back up there, make sure it's level, And I'm going to use a hand Phillips to finish it in. And now the quick release is mounted to the wall. Now with the slide, if you notice here at the bottom of the slide, it's very rounded on one end and then there's a 90-degree at the top. So when you're looking at it, the round is going to be towards the bottom and then your module is going to be towards the right side. And just put it on. Then your quick release is mounted. Thank you.